Welcome to the ultimate guide to performing Hajj, the spiritual journey of a lifetime. Hajj is the annual Islamic pilgrimage to Mecca, Saudi Arabia. It is a profound act of worship and obedience to Allah. Hajj is one of the 5 pillars of Islam, mandatory for every Muslim who is physically and financially able to undertake the journey at least once in their life. This journey is a powerful reminder of unity, sacrifice, and devotion, following the footsteps of Prophet Ibrahim and Prophet Muhammad. Before you even set off, proper preparation, both physical and spiritual, and a sincere intention are crucial. The first major step is ritual purification, ghusl, and entering the state of ihram, adopting simple white garments. This is followed by making the niyyah, the firm intention to perform Hajj, which seals your commitment to the pilgrimage. The first day of Hajj officially begins upon arriving in Mecca. You must maintain the state of ihram. The first ritual is tawaf, circumambulating the Kaaba 7 times counterclockwise, symbolizing unity and devotion. Next is sa'i, walking quickly between the hills of Safa and Marwa 7 times, commemorating the search for water by Hajar. The next 2 days are highly significant, moving out of Mecca to other sacred sites. Pilgrims travel to Mina on day 2, spending the day and night in prayer and preparation in the tent city. Day 3 is the most crucial part, standing in Arafat, known as Waqf, a day of intense prayer, repentance, and seeking forgiveness from Allah. As sunset approaches on day 3, the movement continues to Muzdalifah for an overnight stay and preparation for the next ritual. In Muzdalifah, pilgrims offer the sunset and night prayers together and collect pebbles for the symbolic stoning ritual. The ritual of Rami, stoning the greater pillar, Jamarat al-Aqaba, symbolizes rejecting the whispers of Satan. Day 4 marks the beginning of Eid al-Adha, the festival of sacrifice. Pilgrims perform the sacrifice, qurbani, followed by shaving or trimming hair, known as tahawul, marking a partial release from ihram. The following days are spent back in Mina, daily stoning all 3 Jamarat pillars, completing the full stoning ritual. The Hajj pilgrimage culminates with the final ritual before departure. The final tawaf al-wida, or farewell circumambulation, is performed before leaving Mecca, bidding goodbye to the holy Kaaba. With the farewell tawaf, Hajj is complete, promising immense spiritual reward and a fresh start for the sincere pilgrim. May your Hajj be accepted.